Ah, hell yeah. What's good, guys? If you see my review of this Ganzo, something with all the numbers on it, go check out that review and come back to this video. And if you like the multi-tool and you want to win this multi-tool, all you got to do in this video is say I'm in, and of course be subscribed, and just watch my videos and comment, man, so I know that you're here and I know that you're subscribed and I know that you've been around. So get in on this. We'll make this, can go to Canada or the UK, or as long as you can have this multi-tool in your country, go ahead, get on the giveaway, or I'll send you a Amazon gift card, or I'll use your Amazon, because Amazon has like Amazon UK, Amazon blah blah blah, Amazon blah blah blah, and they'll I'll get it to you that way. We'll figure it out. Say I'm in, drop that comment, I'm in. Win yourself a $40 some odd multi-tool on me. Much respect, much appreciation. Knowledge is power. Practice makes progress. Like and subscribe. Share if you want. Know where the hell you're gonna share me out at. But yeah, get in on it, man. Later. Have a good week, everybody.